Does your neck hurt from sitting too many hours in front of the monitor on your desk while you're slouching over and causing pain to the cervical spine? Well, this quick yoga sequence will help you relieve some of the pain or discomfort you might be feeling. We will practice this sequence right here on your own desk. You can follow it during your lunch break. It's quick, it's easy. Let's get to it. Let me just change real quick. Here we are, right next to your desk. We'll start nice and easy, seated at the front of your chair. Keep some distance on your back. Let me show you from the side. So sit a little bit more forward and have some space. Don't slouch back. Keep an active seated position. So from here, we're going to extend the right hand out to the side, flex the fingers so the palm opens up, and then we're going to drop the opposite ear down towards the shoulder. Find a nice opening and lengthening across the right side of your neck. Breathing it nice and steady, nice and soft. And bring it back through center. Drop the hand onto the knee. During this practice, I want you to be gentle and kind to your own spine, to your own neck. We don't want to be pushing it too much. We want to heal and bring comfort, not the opposite. So let's go with the left hand out and drop the right ear down. Keeping it nice and long, soft. With each exhale, you direct and guide the breath in any areas of tightness you might be feeling. Bring ease to your discomfort. Bring in softness to your pain. And release it, bring it back to center. Now we're going to make a few rolls, so rotating the neck. Be gentle and listen to your own body. So just rotating ears, rotating the head, gentle, slow movements, mindful movements even. You are here and present in the healing process of your own neck. Nobody else can do it for you. Let's rotate the opposite direction. Excellent. Release through center. Now we're going to drop each ear down to the shoulders like we did earlier, this time connected with breath. As you inhale, you find lengthening and height with the neck. As you exhale, drop it down to the side on your right. Inhale back through center. Exhale down to your left. And again, bring it back through center. Pause here for a moment. We're going to drop now the head downwards as we inhale, as we take an intake of breath. So inhale, drop the right ear down. Exhale and settle here. Let everything soften. Let the head hang heavy. The shoulders glide away from the ears. Slowly release it back through center. Opposite ear, left. Inhale it, find your position. Exhale it, melting it, suspending and surrendering into the neck, lengthening across the right side. And bring it back through center. Perfect. We're going to make a few rotations with the arms. The hands are on the knees and draw nice large circles with your shoulders. And now the opposite direction. All right, pause. We're going to lift the arms like wearing them as earrings near the ears, as high as it can go. We're going to bring the chin down towards the chest. We find height here with the back of the neck. And look up in front of you. We're going to bring the chin all the way up now. So make sure that the arms are high. This provides a cushion for the neck behind you. The cushion being the trapezius muscle, the triangular muscle on the upper neck and down the shoulders. And release it down. Release the arms down slowly. We're going to look all the way towards the right, as far as you can go. Remembering that this is a process of healing, of feeling how it works in your own body. If you push it to a point that it hurts, it means you're going a bit too much. And bring it over to the other side. Look over towards your left. Bring it back through center. Now we're going to bring our hands behind the neck, interlace the hands together as one. We're going to close the elbows as close to each other as we can. We're going to inhale the hands, or the elbows actually, up to the sky, chin up. Exhale, round it in, chin to the chest. Let me show you from the side. Inhaling. Exhale, round it in. Inhaling, lifting up. The hands hold the back of the neck. Exhale, down. One more. Inhale. Try to keep the elbows close to each other. And exhale, down. Release through neutral spine, so sit up tall. This time we're going to open the elbows as wide as it can go, and we're going to do the same motion. Inhale, head high. Exhale, round it in. Inhale, the elbows draw away from the ears. Exhale, round it in. One more. As we inhale, we rise, we look up. Exhale, bring it down. Returning to neutral spine, we sit up tall. Now twist rotations. Keep the elbows and hands where they are. Look all the way towards the right, along with the spine. So don't make this a stretch of the neck. Make it a thoracic. The thoracic spine twists here. Bring it over to the other side. And release forward. We're going to drop the left hand down. The right grabs hold of the left ear, so the opposite ear, and pull the head down. Finding a nice lengthening across the right side of your neck. Soft pulling, soft breathing. Lift up the head slowly. We're going to switch hands. Bring your right hand on the left ear and pull it down. So right ear connects towards the arm. Breathing space and softness to your neck, to your cervical spine. Excellent. Release it up through center. We're going to drop our elbows onto the desk. So just grab hold of the elbows, place them on the desk. Sitting in front of it so you can have space to lay down with the left side of the head down towards the forearms. Inviting softness here to your breathing. Allowing gravity to pull you in, surrendering for a few moments of peace, of silence. We're going to lift slowly through center so we can do the same on the other side of the head. So twist the head the other direction, drop the other ear down. Just taking a break right on the desk. Breaks are important, they rejuvenate us, they heal us and help us be stronger, more efficient when we actually work. And slowly lift it up, waking it up, sitting up tall. I really hope that you feel much better in the area of your neck and you feel more relaxed, more open. Thank you so much for joining me for this class. I am Derek. This is Derek Yoga. If your 9 to 5 job is driving your body to ruin from too much slouching, from too much tension, I also have a video for back pain right here. You can follow it. Quick and easy, 10 minutes right on your desk. Thank you so much for joining me once again. With much love, Namaste. So here are a few tips, a gift from me to you. I used to work on the desk for many years as well. I still do, and I actually love it, but I want to protect myself so I can have a nice protected posture and a healthier body. So first of all, the monitor height should be the same with your eye level. So you can see right now my chair is a bit too high and my monitor is too low. Options that I can do is to lift up my monitor using a book or a special stand, or I can lower down my chair. So this is a nice height, eye level with the top of the monitor, not the bottom, top of the monitor, exactly in the line of the eyes. So from here, extending the hands forward, as straight as it can go, and this is the approximate distance that you should be away from the monitor. That's it. Another thing that you can do is to sit up straight on the chair and avoid slouching too much. This is, I mean, we always do it. I do it myself and I forget and I do this. And I set up reminders. Whenever I catch myself doing this, I sit up straight, I look away for a few moments, give a few rotations, perhaps do the same on the opposite direction, and then bring myself back. I return, I continue working. So I hope these were useful for you. Practice them, use them in your daily job. Try it for 1 whole week straight every day in your work week and see what benefits bring and see what benefits enter your life, what kind of release is in your neck. You will definitely feel the benefits that it has in your health, both physically but also mentally. Thanks once again. See you next time.